scary. Usually it is scary. Like, I remember the first time that I ever cut my own hair, I tried to give myself bangs and it turned into like this weird diagonal crazy nonsense, and it wasn't even like the cute side swept kind of bangs. It was just So as I get older, the less likely I am to actually want to pay $100 or more for a haircut, or even like $60 for a haircut. That just seems very pricey to me. That seems way too much. So as I get older, I get inspired to cut my own hair and kind of see where it goes. So let's see, this is the length that it's at right now. It's not too bad. I definitely, the last time that I had it cut, or the last time that I cut it, was about 6 months ago, so it's not too bad. It's probably grown, I don't know, maybe just a little bit, I don't know. I'm trying to work on growing my hair out. I'm starting to go bald in my old age. All of my hair is thinning out, so I'm trying to get it nice and thick and trying to grow it out really, really long. Trying to get it to thicken up a little bit. It's starting to recede. Receding hairline. It's so stupid.